June 2009, Air France 447 disappears. Today we follow the data, not the myths.
Deep terrain can imitate metal. We only trust contacts that repeat.
The ocean finally gave us a target that won't move. Now we go look.
Down there, robots do the risking, but our job is to guide them cleanly.
We can't lift what we can't see. Next step is a close look, first person.
No CGI, just the camera, the meters, and whatever the Atlantic left below.
4 kilometers down, sound and light are all we have, so we move slow.
That's aviation metal, straight rivets, aged by salt and time. Windows and curvature. This is the Airbus, not random scrap.
Silt is a curtain down here. Patience is the only way through.
This seafloor sorts wreckage by weight. It tells us where to look next. Landing gear ends the doubt. This is the aircraft.
This isn't a movie set. We keep distance and we keep respect.
If any letters survived, they're here. We let the camera read, not our hands. We rebuild the story with measurements, not guesses. This is evidence, and it is a memorial. We work quietly. Fracture shapes tell forces. We film them exactly as found.
The name is proof, but it's also weight. We keep it factual.
Small items travel far. Their spread maps the breakup.
Labels can outlast structure. We capture them without touching.
Edges matter. They tell us how far the breakup spread.
We record facts down here. The math happens topside.
Blind movement breaks evidence, so we stop, every time.
Time doesn't stop at a crash site. It keeps working quietly.
Surface heading 000, depth 3 meters, time is now 1430.
Terrain is a second investigator. It traps what weighs most.
Color can mean equipment. We log it and move on.
Some findings ask for silence. We keep our distance.
Remaining time, 10 minutes. Safe return margin confirmed.
We leave only when the map is complete. Loose ends become myths.
We came to see, not to conquer. The record is our responsibility.
We don't chase shots. We protect the evidence and we protect the line.
Some zones are mapped from a distance. Respect is part of the protocol.
That orange isn't decoration. It can be the difference between questions and answers.
Every time the silt blinds us, we stop. That restraint keeps evidence intact.
Heading 275, altitude 15.2 meters. Time 003412.
Finding it is only half the job. The other half is getting to it without breaking the site.
Those silt bands are a timeline. Move them, and you erase a chapter.
We leave with a map and 2 orange targets. Recovery comes next, by the book.
Next dive isn't exploration, it's precision handling, with zero room for improvisation.
We recover what's necessary for answers, and we leave the rest in peace. We don't gamble with deep gear. If the sea says stop, we stop.
Standoff distance is critical here. Mind the corrosion teeth.
Copy that. Keeping it steady to avoid silt.
Locate, verify, secure recorder housing. Document everything. Avoid sensitive areas. No opportunistic retrieval.
Acknowledged.
Control, ROV is reaching 50 meters. Tension is stable, DP holding steady.
Same depth, new mindset. Approach like surgery, not search.
From here on, every meter is toward one goal: secure the recorders without disturbing the site.
Target 1 confirmed.
We move silt like dust, never like gravel. One aggressive stroke can erase detail.
Hold.
We test the grip before we take the weight.
If it slips, we rethink. No force. Millimeters matter. Shock loads and swings are how artifacts break.
Target 1 secured. The site stays as found, that's the standard.
No contact with surrounding structure.
This one is buried. The safest tool is the one that moves the least material.
Low flow, high control. Visibility is part of evidence.
Hold. If you can't see it, you don't touch it. That rule saves missions. Two targets secured. The seabed stays quiet behind us. Recovery doesn't end at the grab. It ends when the evidence is safe and sealed.
Evidence tags read back. Pod 1, serial 739er, timestamp 045216 Zulu. Pod 2, serial 48 Zulu.
From here, the winch takes over. Our job is to keep everything unchanged.
Data without custody is just a story. Custody turns it into evidence.
Two signatures, every time. That's how we keep truth intact.
We took what answers require, and nothing more. The ocean keeps the site. We keep the evidence and the responsibility.
Same depth, same rules. Slow, level, documented. The map is our proof.
From this moment on, every touch is recorded, because truth depends on custody.
Confirmed.
We don't just recover. We prove we recovered responsibly.
Evidence isn't protected by intent, it's protected by process.
Now the ocean work ends, and accountability begins.
No shortcuts, no loose ends. That's how answers survive the trip home.